PitStop YIH co-locates SQ as well as disability support offices. It focuses on three main areas: enable, where students can use the assistive technology software and equipment; recharge, where students could use the different facilities ranging from massage chairs to board games to distress. The third point is reconnect, where students could actually talk to their peers, or be it doing activities that connect with their emotions. Hopefully that through all this, they could also reconnect with the community.
Student centricity is at the core of what OSA do. And over the last few years, we have seen an increase in the number of students with special needs as well as students experiencing emotional and social stress. So in view of such trends, we need to be more effective in supporting our students.
We're now at PitStop at YIH, the Assistive Technology Room. As you can see, we have assistive software and devices that's ready for students to use when they come into this space. And what we really hope for this space to do is to provide students with different special needs with a platform to access the assistive software and devices that they use for their learning.
So I joined as a peer student supporter because over the years I've seen a lot of my friends, and myself included, struggle with balancing school and work life. So I really want to be part of a team that can, as a whole, improve the well-being of students in NUS. I hope that the Pit Stop will be seen as a place that you can come to relax and speak to other students that have the same problems or concerns as you.